All right, we're rolling.
I think we're gonna swap out this rack right there.
All right, shut up. What's up, everyone? It is moving day. Saturday. I'm here on time. It's 10 a.m.
It's 11 a.m. Phil told me, he asked me yesterday, what time should we arrive? I said 10. Phil said, no, man, we should get here earlier than that. Phil got here an hour late.
George, what time did you get here?
10:10.
These motherfuckers late. Oh well.
And he rolled in with iced coffee and didn't even call us.
I did.
To ask if we wanted
It's triple shot. I needed it this morning. I'm so dead. LED racks. You're okay with the workbench thing being over there? Right?
Packing table.
Packing table?
Workbench or packing table?
Or packing table.
Where do workbench stuff go?
All the workbench stuff, I was thinking of putting over here, near the door, so we can roll it outside.
Or near the door?
Near the door, because I think on this corner, I want to do like garage-style shelving, garage-style cabinets. So I'm gonna put this thing up in the corner, so we get a good time lapse of all the moving.
You want to take like a before selfie?
Gang, gang. He's trying to do the Michael Jackson, or who's that dude?
And his name is John C.
We'll put it up. All right. What's happening, everyone? We are done with Saturday, and this is how much progress we've made. We've got kind of our workbench area figured out. Got a nice island table here just to, I don't know, do stuff. Brent and George's desks are pretty much set up. We gotta do electrical and networking tomorrow. And then this is the packing area they're gonna use. We've also got some lights finally installed under the loft for all the storage. Boxes, LED headlights, LED light bars. All that stuff goes down here, along with some White Claws. And this section is going to be our kitchen. We're going to extend the shelving, probably put some wall cabinets up. And I got the basics of our networking set up over here. This is our main Spectrum router that we need someone to come pull some coax cable for. And then our backup 4G LTE modem that currently is not working. So I'll have to work on that tomorrow. And then we have to run cable up over the beams, across the metal cross member and down the same path you see the electrical power line to provide power and networking to these two desks. Now there is a problem. We connected to the outlets that are above here, but none of them work. So I might have to run new electrical and figure out what's going on, open up that junction box and I don't know, pull power from somewhere else because we need all the wires to drop down versus come across the floor. That wouldn't look good. And there's no electrical on that brick wall. So the only other option, if I can't drop them from the ceiling, is I have to do some electrical work and pull these lines and bring them around to get what I need. But that's it for the day. We'll see you tomorrow.